Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my latest video, which is a bedroom reset for my boys. If you are new here, I have two boys aged 2 and 6. They are having a sleepover at their nanny's house, at my mother-in-law's house, so I'm taking the opportunity to reset their rooms because they need it. So I'm starting in my eldest son's bedroom. I'm going to start by just having a bit of a declutter. There's a lot of stuff out on his desk at the moment, and I like to just tidy up and put things back in their homes. He actually loves it when I go into his room and do this. When he comes home later, he will be really pleased to see it. He's definitely his mother's son. While the desk is clear, I can also take the opportunity to wipe it down properly. There was a lot of dust on there, so I'm glad that I gave it a really good wipe down, and I'm just going to put everything back that needs to stay on the desk, trying to keep it as minimal as possible. I'm also going to take off some of these stickers that are looking a bit peely and gross at the moment. I won't take them all off though, because he won't be impressed if I do that. There's honestly so many shelves and little like display areas in this room. It takes so long to go through and dust it all, but I'm just going through each area and each little shelf, giving it all a really good wipe down, trying to minimize it, and I'm decluttering as I go and just putting back all the things that he actually needs. Also going to give his little chair a wipe down as well. On to the next storage shelving unit. Again, it is endless. I'm just going to start by doing the tops, wiping them down and putting all the bits back on there just the way that he likes it. You can't really see properly in this shot, but there's so many shelves underneath on this unit as well that I went through and wiped down. I didn't film it all because it got pretty repetitive. This is a good little hack if your kids love to display things like my son. This is actually a spice rack that I got in B&M, and he uses it to display his little Minecraft figures like this. It's just a really cool way to display things, little toys and figures like this. So I've organised all of that for him. I'm just going to wipe down his windowsill as well, going through each area and making sure it's all dust free. Now that we're officially de-dusted and decluttered, I can get out my vacuum cleaner and start vacuuming the carpet. It's my favourite part of the bedroom reset because it looks so neat and tidy and finished when you do this. I'm also just going to take his laundry because it's looking a little bit full. I'm going to pop on his lights so that it's all cozy for when he gets back shortly, and put a little bit of Febreze air freshener in the room to finish, and that is room number 1 out of 2 all done. Okay, and into bedroom number 2. This is my 2-year-old's bedroom. It needs a bit of a tidy up before I do anything, so I'm going to tidy up this corner. Actually, while I was tidying up this corner, I decided I wanted to rejig it and move it all around. So I'm going to move some things, going to put the bookshelf into the corner here, going to put the beanbag here, and just rejig it a bit, trying to make the most of the space. I want to start dusting now, so I need to clear the surfaces, starting with his little side table here. I'm just going to clear everything off so that I can wipe it down with my Flash bicarb spray and put everything back on. I get asked about this little nightlight every time I share it. It is from Temu and it is so cute. Again, I'm just working my way through all the surfaces, dusting as I go. Next stop is the windowsill, which wasn't too bad actually. This room was much less dusty than my other son's bedroom. I don't know whether I did this one more recently. I usually do them both together, so I don't know how that happened, but I'm going to just do this little storage unit as well. So sorry about my camera. I don't know what's going on with my camera at the moment, but it keeps going in and out of focus and it's driving me nuts. So I do apologise about that, but here we go. I'm just going to keep decluttering, rejigging, organising, and popping these little building cube things into this teddy bear basket that I'm going to put on here because I think that's a better way to use the basket. I love just changing where things go, rejigging things, adjusting to the boys' needs and what they're playing with at that time, and I just love a good reset. Again, I've put on the lights to make it nice and cozy when he gets home shortly. Put his favourite little plushies on his bed that he sleeps with every night. Yes, that is a broccoli. And I'm going to go into the carpets now and vacuum the carpets, which is a signal that we are all done and the room is completely refreshed and ready to go. Going to give it a little spritz of Febreze, but that is bedroom number 2. All done. Guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video and a quick little reset with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.